Hello everybody. Figured I'd do a simpler video. Maybe it won't take forever. I got this, I don't know when, but it had some of that styrofoam stuff glued in with the like nasty looking material and an ugly vine. And so I took all that out and got that old waxy stuff they used. I hope I got it all off. And so I'm gonna paint it with this Waverly mineral color paint. And then to stress it back where some of the light parts show. Okay, whoops. And I'll just put plastic wrap on the table. This table don't really matter, but I don't want to make it any worse than it is, I don't guess. I think this is the color I used on something else and I liked a lot, but it sure does look light. So I don't know. So I'll just be painting this all over it. And then I'll be back. Okay, it took me 2 coats. Let me unzoom a bit. And it's dry, so I took this wet rag and went over it just to let it sit there a minute, because this brand is so hard to distress. But I've got this scrubby thing wet if I need it. So let's see. I got my rag really wet. You know what? I need some paper towels to wipe it off as I go. Let's go get some of them and I'll wring that out a little bit. Okay. I figured I better not use paper towels since we're doing this social distancing thing and I don't want to have to go to the store for paper towels if they're even there. So if you hear rattling, it's my cat Bob. He's nosing around in here. Too far. I'll do one side pretty good on camera and then I'll go back, or I'll cut it off and finish it and then come back. Let's wipe this off, see how it's looking. Looking good. Let's see if you can see. I don't know if you can tell. A little bitty screen. Maybe you can. I want to get a good bit off these little details. Oh yeah. And these leaves. I could just do the whole thing and fast forward it maybe. I don't know. I don't know what y'all prefer. Let's try this out. This is just quicker. I might just do this. Quicker and easier. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. I just gotta make sure to get all these edges where the details are. Don't have to, but that's what I want to do. And not too many people are into peach color now, so I don't want too much to show through. I love that peach color though, but it's just not in. Let's see if I can get it to show up in the light. Ta-da! And that was fairly quick and simple. So, yeah, that little scrubby thing makes it a lot easier. So get you a scrubby thing. Okay, well, I'm waiting on the water to dry off that. Where I can take it out there, and I'm going to spray paint it with this matte finish spray. And maybe in the morning it won't be so smelly. But I'll wear a mask. This used to be kind of an off-white, pretty white. And I had used the, like the fake rock spray out of spray can you can get. And I never really liked it. And then I put that same mineral color paint on it, and I just love it now. I'm not wild about that shape, but everything else I just love. Let me turn it. You can see, you know, on each side's a little different. They're not all matchy perfect. This took a lot of scrubbing. And then, let's see, the last side. And it just, it's like, I think that's the only two things I've painted with this paint. And then I decide I might want to keep them. So this will probably be one of my favorite paints. You know, the plaster color and now mineral color. I really like it. And in that thing I'm doing tonight, I thought about putting the nest material and one of these birds, one of these lucky birds, but none of them really look right in it, so what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is put the nest material, and let me see if I can zoom, and these really faded light colored flowers. I think they'll look really good with it. So I'll go out there and put my mask on, spray it tonight, and then tomorrow I'll put all that in it, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, well, I got the clear coat on, and you can see it doesn't look all shiny because I used that, well, I showed you what I used, and that's the best way I know to keep it matte looking. And the wax, I kind of can, if I don't buff it, just put it on and wipe it off while it's wet, and that works pretty good. And I'm not a big fan of wax yet. I might be before it's over. And this stinks though. It still stinks, and I sprayed it last night. It's not real strong, but it, you know, that spray paint smell. So anyway, I dug out some, I kept trying the birds and some different things, and I found I've got these flowers I've had forever. They're wet because I had to wash them. But I got to get supper going on, so I'm going to go ahead and use them while they're wet. And then I'll set it by the vent to dry out better. So with this one, let's see, I'm trying to figure what order this is. And I'm going to use this junk, this messy junk. So let's see. Well, I could just put it in front of all this, I suppose, couldn't I? So I'll put this here. Let's see where it's got these little twisty things that look kind of like grapevines. So I'm going to use this one to secure it on here. And it don't have to be perfect. Well, I guess it would look more natural if I kind of go with the, yeah, that looks good. Okay, and I'll just let it be up there for some height. And it's going to be wobbly though, but somebody can hang it on their wall, and well, maybe that stuff keep it from wobbling once I push that back with it. We'll see. Oh, my kitty cat's prowling again. Well, it's a different cat. They love to get back there and prowling on my junk. Okay. So now, I didn't really want to use all this. I did take these two off because I want most of it over here. But I'm afraid to take any more off. So let's see. Let's see what I got to work with. I got a vine. I think I'll put this through here. I don't know which way I'll position it. He's in all my packing material over there because I've been packing up my stuff in boxes. Let's let him have a good time. If he don't get too loud. Okay. And so I may run this one through here. That'll help. That ain't gonna show much. Okay, that should be good, I guess. Then that one. I don't want it matchy-matchy. So we got that. Now maybe, hopefully I can get this in there to cover all that. I don't know if I should have put it first or not. Might should have. Don't mess with this stuff too much. And what, oh, that's that big stem off of that one. Let me bend it down. Okay, I should have done the vine afterward. Well, let me just try to separate it because the vine's in the way. Not exactly sure where to position this one. There we go. And fluff this out more to cover all this. Shake all the debris away. Oh, where y'all at? And I think that looks pretty good. What do y'all think? You think it'll sell if I don't keep it? Okay, I figured I'd show you what it looked like on my bathroom wall, because that's kind of peachy wallpaper, I guess. Beige, I don't know. But, yeah, it looks good. Let me know what you think. Do you think that look is outdated, or if there's something else I should put there? I tried the birds and I didn't like them. Or if you think I should remove some of the flowers. It seems like people like things a little more simple looking now than they used to. So, just let me know what you think. And if you like the video and you like the item I painted, hit the like button. And I hope you'll subscribe. And thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.